Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you fix video quality on Facebook Messenger app. So if you want to change the quality of your video on Facebook Messenger, then you could try these steps in order to fix it. So first thing what you want to do is go ahead and check for an update. Sometimes it might be an application or it might be an outdated version that might actually give you some issue. So you want to go to the Play Store, and on the search box you want to type in Messenger and check whether the apps needs to be updated or not. So if you need, so click the update button and wait for a second. In the meantime, what you could also do is go ahead and then long press the Messenger application and press the I button. Once you do it, so you want to go ahead and go to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache, after which you want to go to permission and make sure to enable all of these permission as well. Once you've done it, so you should be able to fix it at all. So these are some of the ways to fix your video quality on Facebook Messenger app. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.